Hello viewers, and welcome to another installment of Industrial Accident Investigation. In my previous videos, we had a brief look at witness interviews. In today's video, we will explore the complexity of industrial accident investigation, and in particular, human error. Many untrained investigators use human error as the root cause of many accidents. This is a quick fix for them and is often agreed upon and approved by management in order for normal work to resume. Trained investigators will delve deeper into their investigations and try to rule out human error as a root cause. Please sit back and enjoy the next 5 minutes. We will start with a brief look at understanding the multifaceted nature of industrial accidents. The investigation of industrial accidents represents one of the most challenging yet crucial aspects of workplace safety management. Accidents are rarely straightforward, linear events. Instead, they arise from a complex web of interconnected factors converging at a specific moment. Understanding this complexity is essential for anyone involved in accident investigation, as it forms the foundation for effective prevention strategies and sustainable safety improvements. The process of investigating accidents requires a keen understanding of human behavior, organizational systems, and environmental factors. While accidents may appear as isolated events, they are often the culmination of multiple factors that create a perfect storm of circumstances leading to an incident. By carefully unraveling these interconnected elements through thorough investigation, we can not only identify the immediate causes, but also address the deeper, systemic issues that contribute to accident occurrence. Understanding human error in context. At the heart of many industrial accidents lies the concept of human error. Yet our understanding of this phenomenon has evolved significantly over recent decades. Rather than viewing errors as anomalies or signs of incompetence, modern accident investigations recognize them as normal variations in human performance. This shift in perspective represents a crucial advancement in how we approach workplace safety. The traditional approach of viewing human error as a sign of carelessness or incompetence has proven not only ineffective, but also detrimental to organizational safety culture. Instead, we must recognize that human error is an inherent aspect of human performance, influenced by a multitude of factors including fatigue, stress, inadequate training, and poorly designed systems. This understanding allows us to move beyond simple blame and towards more effective preventive strategies. Human error as a normal part of performance. It's crucial to recognize that human error is an inherent aspect of human performance. Rather than viewing errors as anomalies or signs of incompetence, we must understand them as natural occurrences that can be influenced by various factors such as fatigue, stress, inadequate training, or poorly designed systems. By accepting human error as a natural part of performance, we can shift our focus from blaming individuals to identifying and addressing the systemic issues that contribute to errors. This approach allows us to develop more effective strategies for preventing accidents and improving overall safety in the workplace. Let's take a look at the types of human error. Human error manifests in several distinct forms, each requiring different preventive strategies. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for developing effective safety measures and creating more resilient work environments. Firstly, we will look at slips. These are unintended actions in familiar tasks. Slips occur during the execution of routine tasks. These are unintended actions that happen when an individual's attention momentarily wavers, despite having the correct knowledge and intention. For instance, a machine operator with years of experience might press the wrong button, often due to a brief distraction or moment of autopilot behavior. Slips are particularly common in familiar environments where tasks have become highly automated. While this automation of routine tasks is generally beneficial for efficiency, it can make us more susceptible to errors when our attention is divided or when unexpected variations occur. The challenge lies in maintaining adequate attention levels during routine tasks without creating excessive cognitive load. The next is lapses. The silent threat of memory failures. Lapses represent failures of memory or attention that result in omitted actions. These errors are particularly insidious because they involve the absence of an action rather than an incorrect one. For instance, a maintenance technician might forget to tighten a crucial bolt, or a pilot might skip a vital pre-flight check. Omissions like these are often harder to detect than active mistakes, making them especially hazardous in safety-critical environments. The prevention of lapses often requires different strategies than those used to prevent slips. While slips might be addressed through improved ergonomics or reduced distractions, lapses often require robust checklist systems, memory aids, or automated reminders. Understanding this distinction is crucial for developing effective preventive measures. The third of these human error causes is mistakes, errors in judgment and decision-making. Mistakes constitute a third category involving errors in judgment or decision-making where the planned action itself is flawed. Unlike slips and lapses, where the intended action was correct, but the execution failed, mistakes occur when an individual's mental model of the situation is incorrect. This might happen when a supervisor misinterprets safety guidelines or when an operator makes an incorrect decision based on incomplete information. Mistakes often reveal deeper issues within an organization's training programs, procedures, or communication systems. They may indicate gaps in knowledge, unclear procedures, or systemic issues that need to be addressed through more comprehensive organizational changes. Violations. Intentional deviations from safe procedures. The fourth category, violations, differs fundamentally from the previous three as it involves conscious deviations from safe operating procedures. These range from routine shortcuts taken to save time to exceptional violations made under unusual circumstances. While violations are intentional, they rarely stem from malicious intent. More often, they reflect systemic issues such as impractical procedures or a culture that prioritizes productivity over safety. Understanding violations requires examining the broader organizational context in which they occur. Why do workers feel compelled to take shortcuts? Are procedures realistic given time and resource constraints? Does the organization's culture implicitly reward risk-taking behavior? Addressing these questions is crucial for reducing violations and improving overall safety. Understanding these distinctions is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it allows investigators to delve deeper into the root causes of accidents. By identifying whether an error was a slip, lapse, mistake, or violation, investigators can better understand the contextual factors that contributed to the incident. This nuanced approach helps move beyond simplistic human error explanations and reveals underlying systemic issues. This classification enables the development of more targeted prevention strategies. For instance, slips might be addressed through improved ergonomics or by reducing distractions in the workplace. Lapses may be reduced with better checklists, memory aids, or automation of critical steps. Addressing mistakes might involve enhancing training programs, clarifying procedures, or improving communication systems. Tackling violations often requires a closer look at organizational culture, incentive structures, and the practicality of existing rules. Furthermore, this framework helps in fostering a just culture within organizations. By distinguishing between different types of errors, companies can respond more appropriately to incidents. For example, punitive measures might be more appropriate for repeated violations, while slips or lapses might call for systemic improvements rather than individual blame. Finally, this approach to human error analysis contributes to continuous improvement in safety systems. By consistently categorizing and analyzing errors, organizations can identify trends over time, anticipate potential issues, and proactively implement safeguards. In conclusion, the detailed classification of human errors in accident investigation provides a powerful tool for understanding, preventing, and responding to workplace incidents. It promotes a more nuanced and effective approach to safety management, moving beyond simplistic explanations to address the complex interplay of human factors, organizational culture, and system design in creating safe work environments.